And how did you find your partner?
A long time ago, I applied for an e-twinning account. A bit of curiosity, to be honest. Um, E-twinning is a platform on which European schools can find each other to collaborate. So there is where I met Miri, the teacher in France, and we both expressed the wish for our students to also meet each other. That's how it all started.
And how did you negotiate the objectives?
That one was a tough one, to be honest. So the first thing we did was we selected classes in which the students had approximately the same language proficiency. That was the easiest part. But as the French national curriculum and the syllabus from our school were obviously not aligned, we had some troubles finding overlap. In the end, we decided to use the themes that were in both of our programs anyways, albeit in different periods. We rescheduled them so that they could fit in our project period of time. This was a lot harder for Miri, the teacher from France, than it was for me, but in the end we managed to design 6 learning tasks using German in a real life context at A2 level, A1, A2 level.